There are a few ways to light a scene cinematically, but if there's one point that must always come first, with any kind of lighting and any style, it is what I tell you in this video. As with everything, there are always exceptions, but if you want to play it safe and light a scene cinematically and aesthetically, it always works. Here is the ultimate rule. Place the camera on the other side of the main light source. In other words, the facing of the person in the movie is the shadow side, just like here with me. Here are a couple of examples. When you're outside and you don't have much time and you can't find a decent framing, the scenery is too choppy, take a silhouette shot. That's the only kind of shot that almost always becomes cinematic. Here again a pair of examples. This scene is a very good example. It's from my own feature film, The Black and White Game. And we had to shoot the scene in a messy kitchen and didn't have much time to arrange much. The only way to shoot this scene cinematically was a strong silhouette shot. Also, this concept of visual storytelling fits very good my movie because the title is The Black and White Game. This visual concept is perfect for filmmakers shooting on a micro budget, because silhouettes only need one strong light source in the background and the framing also becomes much easier and can be done anywhere. If you want more videos like that, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Thanks. See you soon.